Hi, Simon Reynolds here, and today I want to talk about using elite sports training techniques to improve your performance in business. You know, I love studying elite sports people because they're very clear what works and what doesn't. It's very, very obvious. They either win or they don't win. And so they're very, very good at using techniques that improve their performance. And a lot of these techniques can be used in the business world as well. So recently I was studying one of the world's greatest air race pilots, a guy by the name of Matt Hall, who's one of only a handful of people who has been selected in the Red Bull International Air Racing Team. So these are the guys that fly at super low altitude through obstacles, incredibly dangerous. In fact, in 2010, Matt Hall flew so low at high speed, so low to the ground that his wing actually hit the water and he still survived. So these people are elite performers. Now, when I was studying Matt Hall, I found there were 3 techniques that he used to perform well that I think you could use in your business to perform well. The first was having routines. In the week before a race, he makes sure that he has very well articulated, very organized routines on how he behaves, on how he prepares, on what he eats, etc. And I thought that was very smart because it puts him in an even keel and prepares him mentally and physically for the event. But maybe you would perform better if you had established set routines that you do before a big sales presentation, or before a big staff meeting, or before a client call. It makes a lot of sense, doesn't it, to establish routines. The next thing Matt Hall does to be one of the world's greatest race pilots is he is very focused on positive reinforcement. So he said that whenever he thinks about the race, he disciplines himself to think about what's going to go right, not what could go wrong. What's going to go right, and focusing on that rather than what could go wrong. Because of course, if we start thinking about what could go wrong, then we're going to feel negative, we're going to feel disheartened. But if we can just discipline ourselves to think about what's going to go right all the time and why it's going to go right and how we're going to make sure it goes right, then obviously that's going to give us a better chance of succeeding. So what works in sport works in business. Discipline yourself to always look at what's going to go right and how you can make it right, not what happens if it goes wrong. And then the third technique that's very powerful that Matt Hall uses in the Red Bull International Air Racing Team is, and I quote, a huge amount of visualization. So he said he spends a lot of time each week just seeing himself perform really well in the race, prior to the race and after the race. So this can work in business too. Imagine yourself each morning before you go to work performing in a relaxed, efficient manner, performing well in a sales presentation, performing well in a team meeting, performing well when you're dealing with any of your suppliers. More and more, I think elite business people are going to use mental visualization every day to enhance their performance. We know it works in sport, and I'm sure it works in business as well. I do it all the time myself. 5 days a week I visualize before I start work. So have a look at those 3 techniques used by an elite air pilot, but also completely relevant for business. Having routines, making sure you have positive reinforcement always, and then doing a huge amount of visualization. Give them a try. I think they're going to really help your business. Now, if you found this tip useful, go onto my website, simonreynolds.com. That's Simon with 2 I's, Reynolds.com, and leave your email address, and we'll make sure you get these and a whole lot of other interesting stuff to help you build your business every week. Go on to simonreynolds.com now.